Hello everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, we will be unboxing two latest Samsung mid-range smartphones, the Samsung A35 5G and Samsung A55 5G. Both smartphones are the latest mid-range smartphone series from Samsung that comes with very interesting specifications and features. Samsung Galaxy A35 5G variant that we are unboxing in this video comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage for its base variant. Besides this variant, there is another variant available, which has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. On the other hand, the Samsung A55 5G series, it differs from the A35 5G. The A55 series offers three different variants. Its base variant comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. Additionally, there is another variant with 256GB of internal memory and still with 8GB of RAM. And interestingly, for the Samsung A55 5G series, it also comes with a variant featuring a large 12GB of RAM with 256GB of internal memory. Then the color options for both Samsung A35 and A55 5G are limited to only 3 color choices: Awesome Lilac, Awesome Navy, and Awesome Ice Blue. The Awesome Ice Blue color, when we see it directly, appears more like white color. Then in the Samsung A35 5G sales package, inside the box, you will also receive a SIM tray ejector tool along with a user manual and a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Then the contents of the Samsung A55 sales package also appear identical to the Samsung A35 sales package. Then the screen on the A35 5G series is protected with tough Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and on the back is also made of glass in this A35 5G series. While the screen on the A55 5G also uses Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. And the back cover of A55 is made of glass with the additional of Gorilla Glass protection as well. Then the frame material of the Samsung A35 5G still uses plastic, while the Samsung A55 5G comes with a frame made of stainless steel, giving this phone a more premium look. Then at the bottom of both Samsung A35 and A55 series, you'll find a speaker, a USB Type-C port, and a microphone hole. And both of them doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. Then moving on to the right side, there are volume buttons and a power button, with the latest key island design that's slightly raised within the frame. The power button is not integrated with the fingerprint sensor on both smartphones, as they both have an in-display fingerprint sensor. Then on the left side, there are no additional buttons or ports. And at the top, there is a microphone hole, and there is a hybrid nano SIM card slot that can be used for either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Furthermore, the design of the rear camera frame in both smartphones looks very similar, with no noticeable differences between the two smartphones. Then the display on these two smartphones comes with Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The maximum brightness of both smartphones can reach up to 1000 nits. The bezel thickness also appears the same on both smartphones, with slightly thicker bezels at the bottom compared to the left and right side bezels. Then the front camera design is also identical, featuring an infinity O or punch hole design. Additionally, the top bezel appears slightly thicker than the left and right bezels on both smartphones. Then the operating system and UI used in the Samsung A35 and A55 comes with the latest One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. Despite both using the latest One UI 6.1, there are also some features available only on the Samsung A55 5G and not available on the Samsung A35. For example, the dual recording feature is only available on the Samsung A55 5G and missing on the Samsung A35 5G. Furthermore, the camera features on both types of smartphone are quite complete. You can record videos in Full HD 60fps and 4K 30fps resolutions on both smartphones. Additionally, the Super Steady feature is available on both smartphones. Then to find out the camera quality on these two smartphones, you can see some sample photos and videos right here. Then in terms of performance, the Samsung A35 5G series is powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset 5nm, while the Samsung A55 5G series uses the Exynos 1480 chipset 4nm. When comparing their performance using the Antutu benchmark application, the A55 5G series with Exynos 1480 outperforms the A35 5G series with Exynos 1380 chipset. Samsung A35 can get the score around 497,000, while A55 can reach up to 725,000. During our testing, we also observed that the temperature remained consistently cooler on Samsung A55 5G compared to the A35 5G, which tend to be slightly warmer by 1 or 2 degrees. For more detailed comparisons about these two smartphones, you can stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Once it's uploaded, you can watch it by tapping right on the screen. Hope you find this video useful. See you in the next video.